Cutting down all the Virginia pines that I can. I won't waste them. I use them for firewood, but I want to plant my own trees on my own land. Thinking of like apple trees or something that produces a fruit or a nut or an animal, and some evergreen coverage a little bit better than these native pines. But we'll get it figured out. Just take some time. Here's the lookout. I'll take you up here real fast. I will own this land one day. I'll own all that too. On God, boy! It looks ugly right now, but a life worth living is a life worth documenting. You can finally see a little bit of the lake down there. Old deer stand and papaws.